It looks like a robot, but behind that movement is an entire industry. It starts with designs, engineers, and thousands of decisions before the machine ever moves. Then the pieces have to become a machine: motors, actuators, sensors, batteries, and electronics. And this is where the cost starts to grow. You're not paying for one robot. You're building the system that can produce thousands. And once production scales, every machine around the robot becomes part of the cost. The robot also needs a brain. And AI needs serious computing power. Behind that intelligence are data centers, GPUs, cooling systems, and massive amounts of electricity. So the expensive part isn't just the robot standing in front of you. It's everything that makes the robot possible. People, machines, chips, energy, infrastructure. All of it has a price. All costs increase over time.